Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. During the driving test, most of learners they fail their driving test due to overspeed or low speed. The main reason behind, when during the stage 1 they driving on residential area, they drive too slow. So in residential area, if there is no speed limit, then speed limit maximum is 50. So make sure if there is no traffic, road is clear, there is no car parking more on the side of the road, then you need to drive at least over 40. Do not drive 20, 25, 30 if there is no traffic. And maximum limit is 50. So do not go very close to 50. So advisable is whatever the speed limit is, 5 less. So 50 speed, drive 45. 60 speed, drive on 55. 70 speed, drive on 65. 80 speed, drive on 75. So like we can't keep it our car exact 65, 75, 55. So target keep it 5 less. So example, if you're on 60 speed zone, if you drive on 55, might you go little up, so still you under the speed limit. So if you go 57, 58, 59, still you under the limit. Same if you go little down 52, 53, still you are little up from the minimum speed. So that's the reason always drive 5 less. So when residential area, before approaching to roundabout, before approaching to the turn, and when there are 2 cars parked on the same road, limited room, so that time you are allowed to drive slow, but when you clear, then drive on your normal speed. So I'll show some practical. Let's start. So now I'm in a residential area, so I'm moving forward. So same, now I increase the speed. So like roundabout is coming, I'm going straight, so I need to slow down before approaching the roundabout. Check, no one there. And when I clear the roundabout, then I maintain the speed limit like this. So there is no car, then I drive at least over 40. So end of the road, I'm going to turn right. So signal right, checking mirror. So approaching, slow down. When you see clear, no traffic, left and right, that's it. Then turn your car, and when his car straight, then again maintain the speed limit. So now I'm going to the main road. So main road will be 60 zone. So same, now I'm going to turn to the main road. So I just slow down before I'm approaching to the intersection. Now I'm turning left, checking on the right side if any car, no one coming. So I need to slow down before approaching, no traffic. Now I maintain the speed limit. So it's 60 zone, and I'm driving on 55. Another thing, when you do lane changes, maintain the speed limit. Because whenever they ask, when say moving to right lane, check mirror, give signal, check. Do not slow down and do not exceed your speed. Most of learners they get failed during the lane changes. So same, checking like this. So check mirror, give you a signal directly.